Welcome, I'm William's Tech channel, and I'm presenting to you the exclusive wallpapers from Samsung for March. Let's take a look together, and you'll be able to find all these nice and beautiful wallpapers on the dedicated link down below. Please enjoy. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If that's the case and you like the content I'm doing, you might want to consider subscribing for the channel. Please, you and your families, stay safe. Until we meet next time. VST, over and bye.